Craving for delicious at nakakabusog ng mga pagkain dito sa Siquijor? Tara, pag-usapan natin yan. Mayong adlaw, this is J Perpetual Kid at tara, let's explore Siquijor. C's Kitchen is a relatively new restaurant located along the National Highway in Barangay Kambangsa, Larena, Siquijor. C's Kitchen is the perfect place para dalhin ng pamilya, barkada, office mates, or your own self para sa lunch or dinner. At dahil gutom na ako, let's have their chicken and asal combo meal for only 140 pesos. Aside sa malasa at masarap, sulit na sulit ito dahil malaki ang serving. May kasama pang 1 cup of rice, atsara, at iced tea or juice. If you're a pasta lover, you'll definitely love their scampi aglio e olio for 180 pesos only. Love ko to dahil masarap ang sauce, malalaki ang shrimps, at maraming mushroom. And if you're craving for burgers, try nyo tong best seller nilang C's Burger for 260 pesos. It contains 100% Angus beef patty with lettuce, tomatoes, cucumber, cheese, and their yummy special sauce. I definitely enjoyed eating it. Napakasarap! By the way, may kasama na itong fries and a glass of juice or shake of your choice. At para kumpleto ang kainan, we'll have their special halo-halo for 150 pesos. Masarap, fresh yung mga fruits at hindi lasang galing sa delata. Kaya approve sa akin to. At since kumpleto na ang food, samahan nyo kaming kumain. By the way, dahil graduation season ngayon, meron silang special offer na sharing platters, either good for 4 to 6 persons or 8 to 10 persons. For complete details, please contact them on their official Facebook page. Siya nga pala, C's Kitchen is open daily from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Again, this has been J Perpetual Kid and we explored a new restaurant serving delicious at nakakabusog ng mga pagkain sa Larena, Siquijor, ang C's Kitchen. Hanggang sa susunod na kainan, ayo-ayo!